All right, today we're gonna bring a flossing machine. This is a water pressure flossing machine, and this is pretty much what you get in the box. You get a little bag, traveling bag for it. You get all the accessories. Right now we have one set up, and you get a charging station, right? The charging station is very simple. It's a type C to type A, and you plug it in, it will last you for many weeks. So today we're gonna set it up, and we're gonna take a look at a couple things. I filled it up with water. I'm gonna show you a couple things you can do, right? All right, for the flossing unit, to remove, you twist it open and you pull it up. Right now, I do have water in there. I fill it up to the max pretty much, and I just gotta make sure that this is in place here. You twist it back down, and that's it. Now, the charging station is right here in front. It's secure, it's covered because it has to be waterproof. Now, we are gonna use it for our teeth because prior to brushing your teeth, I like to floss first, and at the end, I like to do this again. So I floss with this. Once you do properly, I floss with the regular floss, and then I floss with the water floss, and then I brush my teeth, and then I floss with this. It's kind of like a 3 steps, you know, just to make sure I grab everything that's in your mouth. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it works. All right, to set it up, it's simple. You turn on the power button and you turn on the mode. There's a couple of modes that you should be aware. There's one, it's a swift mode, a rotation mode, and then an angle mode. It's pretty much like a beat mode, all right? And there's strength level here, if you can see it, and the different modes, all right? So you can select right here. Here's the modes, but they give you a little picture in all the modes, and then the power. Let's go ahead and turn it on. This is great if you have a bridge. I do have a bridge, and this goes underneath of it. And this frizzle right here, it's rubber silicone, so it's perfect. So once you turn it on, you select the speeds that you want, the mode. So we're gonna select modes that we want. We want this one. And all you gotta do is select the speeds. And then once you select 1, 2, or go back to 3, you can always go, that's one mode. We're gonna change the mode. That's one beat. That's another one. That's the other one, and it goes back to off, right? So when you change the modes, it goes back on. So let's turn it on again. Beats, change the beats, hit the power button. Powerful little system. So let's turn off the power. Very simple. It lights up here and it shows you what kind of modes you have. All right, it does come with many accessories. I choose one right now because it goes into my actual bridge, but look at all the accessories you have. Put them on in the bag. They fit in for traveling, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.